The noodles are ready! Another Buldak ramen video. Yes. After trying the carbonara, the cheese, and the original Buldak ramen, I'm finally trying the 2x spicy Buldak ramen. This is the hot chicken flavor ramen with added sugar, big bowl, and it says here 2x spicy. Side we have, this is the flake, and this is the hot sauce. Okay, so I'm gonna add the flakes first. And now I'm gonna add the sauce. Oh my god! I spilled on my desk! This is not it. Now it's time to mix. This is the 2x spicy. I really hope that it's spicy. I'm gonna add a little bit of a challenge. I can't make any noise of pain because it's spicy. It smells similar to the other Buldak ramen, so there's not like a new thing. Let's try this. 잘 먹겠습니다. Okay. Hi. A second, the noodle enters your mouth. Explosion of spicy. Wow. I'm gonna continue to eat my Buldak ramen without making any noise, so let's continue. I didn't cook the noodles. I didn't cook the noodles long enough, so they're a bit chewy. Also, I can't drink any water. This is the spicy that I'm talking about. This is the spicy that I thought all Buldak ramen spicy noodles were going to be. This is spicy. I can handle spicy things, so for me, it's really an experience right now. Eating something so spicy, but 미안해. I can already feel my stomach hurting. I'm almost done. My stomach. It's burning. Oh my god, my stomach. Ooh, this is what's left. I want to finish it. Oh, 진짜. Almost done. Ooh, 진짜. Last bite. Oh, 진짜. I did it! I succeeded trying the Buldak ramen 2 times spicy. This was spicy! So spicy, extremely spicy. Do not try this if you are sensitive to spicy things. I can handle spicy and I found this spicy. This is the spiciest Buldak ramen that I've ever tried in my entire life. I have tried 4. I tried the carbonara one, I tried the cheese, I tried the original Buldak ramen. Out of the 4, this is the spiciest one. The second I put the chopsticks in my mouth could detect how spicy it was and immediately react to it. That was so crazy, but it's an experience. I like the experience, but this is spicy. So for the spicy level, a solid, very fiery, burny, spicy 9.9 out of 10. 10 would be absolutely impossible for me to eat. For the taste, I give it a 1 out of 10 because it has no particular taste that made me feel like, oh my god, this is so good. For me, it's just spicy noodle. For the recommendation level, 7 out of 10 would recommend this to my friends who want an experience with spicy things. But if you are not a person who likes spicy things, I give it a negative 15. Stay away from this ramen. This is extremely spicy. Now the final ranking for all the Buldak ramen that I've tried so far. Last place, I'm gonna put the cheese. Third place, I'm gonna put the original Buldak ramen. Second place, I'm gonna put the 2x spicy Buldak ramen. And first place, the carbonara. The carbonara is the tastiest, most delicious Buldak ramen I have ate so far. I know that Buldak and like Samyang has other ramen flavors, but these are the 4 flavors that I have on my hand right now. I could go and buy other flavors, but I would do that only if you're interested in me trying other Buldak ramen flavors. If you want me to try other Buldak ramen flavors, like the video, subscribe, and comment this. This was by far my best experience. I had so much fun filming this video. I have made other videos, like I told you, where I tried the carbonara, the cheese, the original Buldak ramen. So go watch these videos to know what I think about the other Buldak ramen flavors. And I see you in my next video. Bye!